Yeah.
Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Ibu Jessica Fianjari, Presidency 24. Today I will do presentation about how to make a cup of tea. First, tools and materials. 1. Tea bag, sugar, a hot water, spoon, and a cup. And then, step to make a cup of tea. Step 1. First, prepare our materials to make a cup of tea. Step 2. Next, put the tea bag into the cup. And step 3. After that, pour the boiled water and add 2 spoons of sugar. And step 4. Then, stir the tea bag with spoon until purely mixed. And then, a cup of tea is ready to be enjoyed. That's all presentation for me. Thank you and goodbye.